Upgrade your Tesla Model 3 Highland or Model Y Juniper with the SATONIC 9-inch multifunction dashboard display from AliExpress. This sleek full-panel replacement integrates seamlessly into your vehicle's dashboard, offering a modern design and advanced features for a smarter driving experience. Enjoy real-time car information, including speed, driving distance, tire pressure monitoring, and overspeed alerts, all displayed clearly on the 9-inch QLED screen. The innovative design ensures free airflow without blocking your air vents. Stay connected with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto for effortless access to navigation, music, and calls. The display also includes built-in quick buttons for opening the frunk, trunk, and doors, plus customizable ambient LED lighting for a stylish touch. Installation is simple and hassle-free, with all hardware included for a perfect fit. Upgrade your Tesla today with the SATONIC dashboard display from AliExpress and experience convenience, safety, and cutting-edge technology in one elegant package.